And again, it costs $0 for you to go. What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 7 ways that you can actually start making money from home right now with $0. Next is going to be becoming a freelancer. So this could mean an assortment of things, but overall, if you believe that you have any type of skill that you could potentially sell online, then this may be the best thing for you to do. This could range anywhere from things like graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, sometimes video animation like editing videos for other YouTubers, or some type of programming. If you know how to code or you're some type of software engineer, then there's things that you can do right now to start making money online, because people are searching for those individuals that actually have that skill set, and they're not looking to spend their time to learn that, so they're just going to pay others online. And there's different sites that you can go on to advertise your services, like Upwork.com, Fiverr, freelancer.com, a bunch of different service websites to where you can just offer directly your services. For example, in the graphics and design section on Fiverr, you can see that there's logo design, brand style design guides, game designs, graphics for streamers, and then we're going to jump into the digital marketing section on Fiverr, and you can see you can start social media marketing for others, as well as their advertising, Google SEO work for them, and this can range from many different aspects, from just creating maybe YouTube thumbnails for someone, or marketing their social medias, creating templates for social media posts, or even just coaching and advising people actually. So let's talk real quick about editing videos. So that right there it's definitely not a very easy task, but it's something you could pick up very quickly and start to begin selling that online for $0. If you have a MacBook, every MacBook comes with the software service of iMovie, and from there, that's just a software, video editing platform directly built onto the MacBooks or any Apple laptop. And from there, you can begin editing movies. It costs $0. The only thing that you may have to spend is your time up front to learn how to do it. And then from there, you can start offering your services. And quick tip, you can contact up and coming YouTubers and ask them to send you their next video that they're gonna be creating, and you can just edit their first one for free for them to see if they like it, and then you can potentially build that long relationship of you creating an income from editing their videos. And then you just start stacking up with one on top of another, and now you have a set, consistent income. Next one is going to be drop servicing, and this plays a huge factor into what we just talked about in freelancing. This is where you're going to be selling the services that others actually provide, and then you're going to upsell that service that they provide for a higher dollar amount, and then you will pay them what you were earned and then net the difference on top of that, much like drop shipping. So a great example will look like this. Let's say you, the seller, are going to market online services for, let's say, video marketing, right? Or you don't know how to edit videos and you don't necessarily want to learn. What you can do then is you can market your services of video editing for $100. Then when you get the order, you actually will pay another video editor the $80 to edit the video, therefore really just being like a middleman and netting the difference. Another way that you can start making money instantly is which is pretty simple, and everybody already knows this, but you might have to be told again, is sell your stuff. I'm sure you have tons of stuff in your house that you don't need at all. And there's plenty of different online platforms like letgo.com, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, different things like that, as well as we have Poshmark, which is a great platform if you're looking to sell your what you believe to be stylish clothes. And another great app is Mercari, in which you can just directly go there. You can sell a lot of different items and they can buy it from anywhere in the world, and you would just have to ship it to them. So let me show you in my house. I'm just gonna walk around and start pointing at things that, really I don't need, even though I have it. Let's start looking around. I have this fake tree right here. A fake tree. I don't know how much I could get for a fake tree, but I know I don't need it. I have I don't know what that is, but we could sell this. We don't need it. I guarantee. This is a little glass flower. We could sell it. Don't need it. We have a 65-inch TV in our living room in which we barely even watch TV. So that right there, we could sell. And yes, I watch Supernatural. One of the best ways to start making money today is going to be through direct or online tutoring. Right now, at the time of making this video, we are in the middle of a pandemic, the coronavirus, on 8/08/2020. With right now, we have schools looking to come open for the fall semester in just a few weeks. Right now, with the upcoming fall semester, there is a huge increase in demand for tutors. As of right now, being in the middle of a pandemic, I'm aware that some schools are not going to be offering one-on-one tutoring services that they would have their teachers do after school hours. As well as there's going to be a huge increase of students that are going to be doing virtual school versus actually being in the school, which will put them really in a new environment and potentially make it even harder for them to learn because they're going to have to adapt. So that makes online tutoring one of the top niches to get into right now because of the high demand. There are plenty of online tutoring sites such as tutorme.com, we have tutor.com, tutors.com, VIPkid.com, but what they don't tell you with all of these sites where they offer online tutors to start tutoring other children so you can get paid is that there actually are some requirements. So not everybody can just go and become a tutor. With some of them, they actually are going to require teacher's experience as well as a 4-year college degree. And then some of the other online sites that say that there are no degree requirements or teacher's experience, they will also require sometimes a TEFL certificate, which stands for Teaching English as a Foreign Language. So even though, you can potentially get in there with no requirements, you're going to be required to have that TEFL certificate. And, it could be as simple as just a few $100s and a 100-hour course, but that's still something that would be a requirement. But there are actually a few online tutoring websites that you can sign up for that have absolutely zero requirements, and I'll drop those in the link below. That's going to be Cambly and Palefish. Those are the two that I found that have absolutely no requirements to get started. So if you're potentially even too young to get the TEFL course and requirements, let's say you're in high school and you're not qualified to take it, I would suggest that you just offer one-on-one tutoring services to other local students, friends, families, neighbors, especially if you're in a higher level math, science, reading class in high school or above and you believe that you can start teaching algebra or something as simple as those mathematics to other younger children. And it could be as simple as just going on Facebook and, putting it out there, letting them know that you would be open to tutoring anybody's child during these times, and you could just do a one-on-one, 1 to 2 hour Zoom call. And again, it costs $0 for you to go tutor someone unless you were to pay for the TEFL course, in which then it might be a few $100s. But other than that, it is absolutely free to offer tutoring services to younger children in your area, or to their parents to tutor them, and you could start getting paid immediately, especially with this upcoming fall semester. Another way to start making money today is to start an Etsy business. On Etsy, you can't really start selling without any money unless you smash that like button down below and subscribe for more weekly content like this. One way on Etsy to start selling products right now with no money is to start selling images, templates, and PDFs. It costs no money to create an image or PDF. it may just take some time and effort, and you need to learn some editing skills, but you can just simply use a website called Canva, which is great for picture editing, and you can just upload that directly to Etsy and start selling your templates. For example, when we look into Etsy, we're gonna see, just typing in PDF, we're gonna have multiple things on there in which we can see that there are many reviews on it, as in these items are selling. And then let's get a little bit more detail and start searching social media on Etsy in the PDF version, and you can see there's social media planning calendars, there's different templates, there's 365-day social media content calendars, as well as different starter packages or templates for your Instagram story, videos, pictures, or other social media platforms for sale. And that practically costed them no money to create, other than the time and effort it would take to make it. Another way you can start getting paid today for no money is going to be through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you're going to advertise other individuals' products on your website, social media, anything like that, and then once the individual will purchase it from your link or website, then you will get paid a commission off of that sale. Some great sources to find these links are things like clickbank.com, and from there you can just search whatever type of product that you may potentially want and potentially get a link to that product to then start advertising online to sell and get a paid commission from it. So you could potentially be selling some type of brand of shoes, maybe clothing, new technology. Put that on your social media, and if someone were to purchase that from your link, then you would get paid a commission. And you could take this to a grander scale of advertising it, maybe through Facebook, Instagram ads, things like that, and hopefully get paid off of that. Another big one is Amazon Associates, in which that's where you can get the link to Amazon products and then get paid the commission off of the sale of your Amazon product. For example, you'll hear many YouTubers say, and I'm gonna say this, if you like my camera quality, if you like my video quality that you're seeing, then the link to my camera is down below. And if you click that link, you can go directly to the camera. And I, the YouTuber or the person that's using affiliate marketing, would get paid a commission off that. Or you'll hear them a lot of times say, make sure you click the link below to get 2 free stocks with Webull stock investing platform. Just go to it, sign up, and once you deposit a little bit of money, you will get 2 free stocks. And then from that affiliate link, I would get paid from that as well. So that is a great example of affiliate marketing. So, if you like my camera, make sure you click link down below and make sure you sign up for Webull to get 2 free stocks. Another great way to start making money right now is to create a course. And you can do that absolutely for free using udemy.com or Udemy. I don't know. If you have any sort of skill set, or you're retired in some sort of field and you feel like you have the expertise and the knowledge that you could simply create a simple online course to start selling to individuals in a matter of a week, then you can do that for free through udemy.com. It would be as simply as clicking the button, signing up, creating your content, whether it be virtually through video or just through a lot of instructions through text. You can start doing that and start making money very fast. As you'll see all these examples on udemy.com, there's many courses varying from different subjects, ranging from $5 to $500, and these will sell. I've even bought a few myself for $10. And even if you don't have expertise in a field, you can still, with the power of almighty Google, you can start learning stuff almost instantly, almost to where you can actually be an expert and create a course and start making money on it instantly. It will just, again, take a lot of time and effort. And that's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for sticking till the end. Make sure you subscribe down below for more content like this, and I hope you're all staying safe, and I'll see you in the next video.